Sorry. Is it okay to step in and get some closer shots?
Yeah.
Is that alright? Thank you. Where did Sam go? Oh, there he is. Man, if you have seen Cars as a kid, that one is special.
Yeah, yeah.
It's the King. I think it's even the same livery, isn't it?
It is, yeah, yeah.
It's so cool.
It's insane.
Man. God damn!
That children under the age of 16 are not allowed in the assembly area. So please don't try and get past the marshals on the gate. Thank you.
close race cars competing at the moment. But again, it's evolutionary cars, but you might say it's on
I guess I'm not.
just straw bales, but not
Hey there.
barriers around.
Yeah.
These are hefty.
Not with the yellow tablet.
No, only
Okay, only the white ones.
and the blue ones. Yeah, so
Blue ones. All right. Okay, no, that's fine. It's no problem. Thank you. Well, fuck around to find out.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I will figure out where the rally stage is.
You get a bit of dirt onto the track as well.
So unfortunately, I can't show you too much of the hill climb track because I got the green tablet, which means that I'm technically only allowed to be on the rally stage. I mean, I can stand here where normal visitors are, but I can't cross over there. I'm not allowed to go there. Whereas people with white vests would be allowed. So I can't show you too much of the hill climb, unfortunately, but we will go to the rally stage after lunch, and that's where things are going to get hectic. So yeah, pace is going to pick up soon.
Everyone rejects me, even in my best dreams. And I've come to realize I can see it in your eyes. You're out to get me. Yeah, I know you're out to get me. Everyone rejects me, living in a conspiracy.
Right, ready to the forest stage now. Problem is I don't have a map or anything. I got no idea how the track is going, so everything from here up on is recon work. But based on our experiences from Portugal, Czech Republic, Germany, and so on and so forth, I think I'll be able to find a good spot here. At least I hope so. By the way, I'm shooting here for Thiele Motorsport. Huge shout out to them.
But his love of New Zealand
found them.
to working with
Servus, wir hatten geschrieben. Ich bin einer eurer zwei Fotografen. Habt ihr heute noch mal einen Lauf?
Wir haben noch mal einen Lauf, irgendwie ab 14 Uhr, 14 bis 15 Uhr.
Oh, okay. Was ist der schlauste Weg, hier gute Ecken zu finden? Einfach der Strecke folgen, oder?
Man kann hier hinter dem Feld straight runtergehen und
Oh, stop right there, take your hands away from your podium.
rein und dann
Okay, dann schaue ich da mal.
You'll all know the words to, so please sing and dance along.
Okay, so at least I got some rough directions now of where to go. But I still have some time to spare, so I'm going to shoot the Quattros.
There is the Lancia Delta, that's the 8-valve version, not the 16-valve version. Over the night, they went out to show off the parts. Which you can do, he's got a lot of them, he's got additional 3 different parts in his workshop.
Back on move if they've had problems this weekend.
We have indeed, and Richard Hawke, who had his diff rebuilt overnight after leaving bits of it. In the middle of the stage, Charles Simcock on stage 9 in the McRae Enduro.
It was first the base, we had the super special in the Millennium Stadium as it was then. And just a very short track in the Millennium Stadium, but still it brought all the people together to be able to go in and watch that. Quite a few people taking out arches left, right and centre.
Well, I remember getting blinded by the sort of firework thing when you went across the finish, went bang!
Now, if you were a rugby player, if you score a try, those go off every time. When you go onto the pitch, those big fireworks go off. So the rally cars got the full rugby treatment, let's say, when we were back in Cardiff.
Would you be a big rugby fan?
Massive.
Would you?
Yeah, I've worked a lot on rugby over the years. Rugby World Cup, Six Nations. I absolutely love rugby as much as I love rallying.
All right, Team Thiele's are seemingly getting ready. That means that I should go and find a good spot now. I think I want to go for a spot where I can get some panning shots. It might be pretty dark in the forest, which could be a downside, but worst case I have to crank the ISO a bit, shouldn't be a problem. And by the way, look at that, the British military brought out a tank, as well as a tank simulator. They went like all in. You're in the army now. Whoa. I know I can't sing, shut the fuck up. That's not happening every day. All right then.
Just
I love to get below the cars instead of above them, because when you look down on cars, it always makes them look tiny. Whereas if you manage to stand lower and look up to them, you can make them look mighty and evil and mean, which is all the attributes we want to show it's such a powerful car. Hey there, sorry. Is it possible to cross the fence with the vest, or is the fence off limits for media as well?
No, media, if you've got full media back, you can be at this side, yeah?
Okay, just behind a tree as per usual?
Yeah.
Alright, okay, sure thing.
Just stay safe.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Is there any place I can get over easily? Doesn't really sound like it, eh?
I really don't know.
Okay, I'll have a look.
No, I've not seen anywhere, so you just have to...
Okay, I'll have a look. Thank you. Alright,
Okay.
cheers. I can be wherever I want. That's nice. Now I just need to find a place where I can cross the fence. I want to shoot that hairpin. That hairpin is perfect. Just need to cross the fucking fence somehow. Yeah, that's the spot right here. Oh god damn, I made it just in time. Oh, that was Thiele. I just barely made it. Damn.
Through and rallying next year. Yeah, see, the WRC promoter is backing basically appealing to
Yeah.
women and girls.
Oh, sorry, yeah, I can go left again. No worries.
I think,
You would like.
Just because it's red flag, he's stopped there, maybe that's what it is. We do have, yeah, he's probably just paused because he's seen the red flag, but just paused on the donut, mid-donut.
Yeah, Samuel is next. You can hear by the way he's tapping the gas. That's Samuel. And also big bass on the engine, of course, because you know Porsche boxer engines. Yeah, there he is. Please tell me I got one that's sharp. Yeah, that's sharp.
It's an incredible car, isn't it, to watch? And we've seen it on so many different runs during the weekend, in different conditions.
Hi, do you know if there's any spot nearby where I could get over the fence? Because it's a bit difficult around here.
Not really.
Oh, okay. Back there was easier. But here it's quite hard to get over the fence. Can I do what?
Can you crawl under? I'll lift it up for you.
Probably, depends on how high you can lift it. Oh yeah, easy. Easily. Thank you so much.
That's a lot of miles, Sam. 180 miles. Yesterday afternoon it was absolutely bucketing down with rain right now, and it's kind of nice that on the final afternoon the sun really has come out and it's more powerful out there, as are the cars we're seeing on the stages right now.
Car down here instead. Now this is an interesting story because that's Mark Higgins and alongside him is Jess Gwynn. That's the daughter of Ian Gwynn, and they rallied together 16 years ago, and this is the celebration. But
without a doubt, GoodWood is definitely worth a visit. Alright everyone, this is the end of GoodWood. They are soon closing gates. The last few cars are going, but it's just like fun runs now. My phone might run out of battery while I record this, so it might be quick. Yeah, I wanted to say thanks for watching. It has been another video. It was a pleasure again. My first time at GoodWood, and if you think about going there, I can definitely recommend it. Yeah, we're now going to pack our stuff and drive back, and then I'm going to fly back home tomorrow, edit photos, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you on the next one.